Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Infective endocarditis we are looking at is microorganism causing it. So the first microorganism we look at the Streptococcus viridans. So Streptococcus viridans. Viridans or the viridans. So what is the source? The source of Streptococcus viridans will be the oral cavity. So oral cavity is the source of the Streptococcus viridans. Next on the Staphylococcus. So looking at Staphylococcus aureus. The Staphylococcus aureus is the source is the skin. Aureus is the skin. Next is we look at the Hackek organism. H-A-C-E-K. Hackek organism. So Hackek organism will be the upper respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract is the URT. Then we look at the Streptococcus galacticus. The Streptococcus Gallolyticus, it involves the G for G. So Gallolyticus stands for the GIT. That is, it involves the colon. Next we move on to the enterococci. So what is the enterococcus? So here in terms of enterococci, it involves the genitourinary tract. So there is a genitourinary tract. This is the enterococci involvement. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.